Hey guys, I've been putting this off all day. So as you can see, we have the axle stand still in check. We have our chalk still in check, but that's going to be null and void once I lift the front end up to level out the car, so that I can get to the fuel pump a little easier, and or re-level the fuel tank so it doesn't spill out over the edge where it is at currently. So we're just really just gonna get to it, and I'm gonna blow off the tires with the impact gun and reset the camera up so that you can have a glimpse of what I'm trying to do. Yes, I still haven't moved my engine into my garage, but in other news, I have lifted the car up. I guess the chalk is again null and void. Axle stand, axle stand, axle stand. This should give me some more room to get in there, so I can, this is nice and pretty and shiny. But to get to the fuel pump there, and that way get this car running, hopefully today. So we're all set up, and just wanted to say that I'm putting my earplugs in, and again, we have safety glasses on, making sure that what we're trying to do here, we're pretty well protected. So be safe when and if you decide to attempt this. This is not a guide, it's just an idea of how to get it done. Here I am just demonstrating on how to remove a fuel line using the connectors. I'll show you a picture of all the connectors together in a second. And it's really a two-handed operation to remove said fuel lines. Again, you want to depressurize a long time before you start this. And this is what the connector looks like, or the adapters to remove the connectors. Okay, so I have removed the fuel pump and some of its components. We are actually going to remove the motor shortly. I just cut off the crimp, there we go, for the fuel hose here. I'm just going to put on a fastening one. I unplugged the connector. We're going to pop this off, and then we're going to see where we're at as far as the pumps matching up, see if Amazon was correct. So we're at the comparison stage of the project, checking everything over for the parts. It actually comes with a new rubber gasket, 2 clamps, which we need, an adapter, which I was curious about, so that it's the same adapter as this one, and this will fit back right into the stock as this one here is. You'll see that they're identical right here. So far it looks like Amazon did not fail me, and we're going to assemble this thing. So we have new clamps, new hose, the adapter. I'm reusing the filter. It looks just fine. I reused the compression clamp that goes on it. So if I turn it upside down, you'll see that right there. Hence the needle nose pliers right here. And yes, I did use the old motor as a hammer. Don't know if you saw that, but and I go around the clip to make sure it goes down and it seats nice and securely. I go around the clip, not on the metal edges. And it just goes right around that. I just give it a couple taps. Sorry for stuttering there. A couple taps. And that's it. So this is complete. We're going to install it now. I know you guys can't really tell. There it is right up there. You can see the pump and all the wires. I had to cut 4 wires. But in doing so, I also cut my thumb. It got caught a little bit, and then I was trying to strip a wire. And then the blade slipped, and then I couldn't move my hand out of the way fast enough because obviously working in tight spaces, and I ended up slicing myself. So I'm going to leave the vehicle where it is. I'm going to clean up my tools. So all this nonsense, get this all out of the way. And because daylight is going to be gone shortly, the progress up for today is done. There'll be a part 3 of this tomorrow. I'm just not in the mood anymore. So hope you all have a good night. Be safe. And I want to make sure that I don't work in tight spaces with sharp tools. Thanks for watching.